This video provides a quick overview on how to do a data backup. You control your own data. If it's on a corporate server and your IT staff is taking care of backups, great. If not, this video shows how to create a complete system backup, as well as incremental backups, to your choice of either a second networked PC, a NAS, USB stick, or cloud storage. This demo includes two methods: performing a manual on-demand backup and also creating a scheduled automatic backup. A super simple location for saving your backups is a USB stick. The files are not too big, so a small stick will suffice. Simply plug it into your USB port and then drag the Look To software folder to that device. It should take a few seconds. This makes a complete snapshot of your entire system, including the program itself, report templates, and all of the resource items. It's recommended you make a complete system backup like this every time you upgrade your software to a new major release. Now let's look at each of the three products to learn how to do an incremental backup of just the data. In registration, log in as an administrator and go into the configuration settings. Click the Backup Data Files button. The software explains that you must select a backup location. Press OK and navigate to wherever you want to copy the data. In this example, we'll scroll down to select the USB stick and click OK. For registration, the software copies 4 backend database files. With inventory, log in as admin and go to Settings. Again, simply click the Backup Data Files button, press OK, and choose your storage location. Inventory copies 3 backend database files. With Volunteer, log in as an admin and go to Configuration. Again, simply click the Backup Data Files button, press OK, and choose your storage location. Volunteer copies 2 backend database files. Now, looking at these files, you can see that they are copied with the date appended to each of the names. That way you can back up your data to the same location and have a running history of your backups. Now, let's look at one method of setting up automatic backups. Open the file location of your software and go into the Resources directory. There, you should find a backup batch file. Right-click on that file and choose Edit in Notepad. Now, if you can't find the file, or if yours is an older version with just 2 lines in it, you can download the latest version of this backup batch file from the Look To website. Depending upon the software module, the source path will either be R, S, or V. If your data is in another location, simply edit this path. You must change the backup path, though, to match the location where you want to copy your data. Simply highlight the text and change it to your path. The batch file then copies the various database files to that defined backup path. It's suggested you test it out, so save the file and then simply double-click the batch file. A command window may appear briefly. When done, go to the storage location you define and verify the data files have indeed been backed up. You should see the date appended to the name. Now, let's automate this process. Hit the Windows key on the keyboard and search for the Task Scheduler. Open it, then click on Create Basic Task. Give it a name and click Next. Choose the frequency you want to back up your data. If you're only open once per week, well then choose weekly and pick the day for the backup. For this demo, we'll go back and instead select daily. It's recommended to change the time of the backup until after you're done serving people. Here, changing it to PM. In the next step, the default should be to have the task start a program. So click Next, and then click the Browse button to navigate to the batch file that was just edited. Click Next, and you can review your settings and then click Finish. If you want to manually test this scheduled task, click the Task Scheduler library, then click the newly created task from the list. You can then click Run to make sure everything works. Remember, your PC must be on at the selected time in order for this backup method to work. And don't assume it's always working. It's strongly recommended that you periodically check that the backups are indeed going to where you say. And you can also delete old backups to reclaim space. To learn more about the Look2 software, you can review the manuals on the website or contact us. We'd love to help.